Computer Science Class 12, Chapter 2 Functions. The topic we are doing is built-in functions. The three built-in functions we have already discussed. Now in this video we'll discuss fourth and fifth built-in function, that is min and max function and ABS function. So as we have already discussed, type conversion function, input function and EVAL function we have already done. Now min and max function. Min and max both are inbuilt function, and these are used to find the maximum and the minimum values out of the several given values. Like if we use min function, so min function is basically used to find the minimum value out of the given several values, and max function is used to find out the maximum value out of the several values. The max function takes two or more argument and returns the largest one. Similarly, the min function takes two or more arguments and returns the smallest one. Now we all know that what is the meaning of arguments. The values, the parameters which is passed to the function by the user are called as arguments. So both takes two or more arguments and return the result. Max function returns the maximum value out of the given values, and min function returns the minimum or the smallest value. For example, if we have x is equals to max, and we have taken some values 25, 9, 13, 5, 85, 95. So similarly we can take any values in a program, or whenever we want to calculate the maximum marks or the minimum marks. So the range of marks or the range of values should be given by user, and then we can apply this function directly, max, and this max function calculates the maximum value out of the given values and store the result into x. And then if we print the result, let's say out of 25, 9, 13, 5, 85, 95, if I want to quickly find out which is the maximum value, which is the largest number in that, so we'll execute this code. For executing, you know that we need to press F5. When you press F5, the result is 95. As you have seen, as you see here, 95 is the result. That means in this given list of values, 95 is the highest value. Similarly, if we take the range of values and want to calculate or want to find out the minimum value or the smallest value, then similarly we use min function. Like for the largest value, we have used the inbuilt function max. To find out the minimum or the smallest value, we can use the min function here. So min, in the bracket we can pass the range of values out of which we need to find out the smallest value, and the result will be stored inside the y, and then we'll print y. Then if you press F5, this function returns the minimum value. That means here the result is 5. Now if we check the program, so 5 is the minimum value here. So in that way we can use these two functions, min and max function, to quickly find out the minimum or the maximum value out of the given set of values. The next function is ABS function, or we can also call it an absolute function. The ABS function returns the absolute value of a single number. That means it takes an integer or float number as argument and always returns a positive value or the absolute value. For example, if we write a is equals to ABS, ABS is the function here. We use ABS here, ABS is the function. So in the bracket, if we pass the value, let's say I've given here minus 75, and then if you print A, when you print A and when you press F5, so the result displayed is 75. As you see, 75 is the result. The absolute value of minus 75 is 75. Similarly, if I change this value to any positive value, let's say I've given 5, okay, so this time the answer will be 15. See, the absolute value of 15 is 15. In the same way, whatever value we pass to this function as argument, this function ABS returns the absolute value of that number. Like for example we'll take I've given minus 45.6. Now press F5. Okay, this time the answer is 45.6. So it will return the positive value each time whenever the argument, whether negative or positive, whatever argument is passed to this function ABS, it will always return the absolute value, that means the positive value of that number. So we have discussed min and max function. The min function returns the minimum value of the given set of values, and max function returns the maximum value, the largest value of the given set of values. And the ABS function returns the absolute value of the given number. So, thank you.